Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day today. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max in the color silver. I just got this in the mail and I'm super excited to see what it looks like and to see what's inside. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Okay, so right off the bat, as you can tell, the box is a lot smaller, thinner than other iPhone models. Let's go ahead and open this. Take off the plastic. Here's how that looks like so far. It says iPhone on the side. Pretty cool. Wow, look how pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this phone. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, so I'll show you the phone in a second, but first thing, we have the lightning cable. This phone model does not bring a charging brick with it. I think all the iPhones won't bring them anymore. Apple's just not including them. They're trying to recycle, I believe. But either way, it only brings the lightning cable. So if you don't have an adapter for this cable, then you definitely need to go ahead and purchase that. Then there is this little manual. And it has a little sticker. Yep. And here's the beauty. Let's just look at this. Let's admire it for a second. It's so pretty. See the edges? I just want you to see how pretty that is. Super beautiful. Before I go into a little bit more detail, let's go ahead and take this off. Cool. And here's that. You can see my daughter's remote learning stuff in the back there. Wow. Okay, that's the screen. So this iPhone 12 Pro Max features a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display. Just for reference, I have the iPhone 8 and this one is 6.5. So let's hold them up together. You can see. This one definitely feels, you see the sides, wow, what a difference. I actually hadn't even noticed a difference until I put them side by side. My husband has an iPhone 11 that I'm recording on right now, and I don't know if there's much difference in terms of camera and everything with the iPhone 11, but as far as the 8, definitely an upgrade. I do have a digital camera that my husband and I share for videos, but sometimes I just really love to use my phone. It's easier to edit sometimes, and maybe I'll be in the house with the kids and then decide to go ahead and do some makeup. So that's why I really wanted to upgrade. But okay, let's go back to this beauty. This is how it looks. I'm mostly excited about the camera, which is why I upgraded, because I believe the new night mode feature makes photos at nighttime 80% clearer, 87% clearer, and that's gonna be great for me because sometimes my lighting is not the best. Right now it's a rainy day, it's super dark outside, and if I were to record a makeup tutorial, that would really help me out. So that's the reason also why I went ahead and upgraded, because I do a lot of makeup tutorials and reviews, and most of my videos focus on details on the items that I'm using. So I really think that these cameras and the front camera too will help me out a lot. I cannot wait to put it to the test. But let's go ahead and set it up and see how it looks. It's just a beauty. Okay, let's swipe up. Choose English, United States. Okay, so I set up my Wi-Fi. Now I'm just gonna go continue. I'm gonna set up all the stuff later. Okay, I'm just continuing through the settings just to be able to get to the home screen. Says welcome to iPhone. So far, I thought it might be a little bit too big, but honestly, the size is perfect. Honestly, seems like things are downloading, but this is how the screen looks. Welcome to App Library. So far, I get more space on my screen, which I do like. So to compare really fast again, iPhone 8 and then the 12 Pro Max, I don't know why, like I was pleased with this, but seeing this, I'm totally more into this style now. Okay, so I do have it nice and set up now. I took a picture with it and I like it so far. The camera seems really nice. I'm gonna mess with the settings later. Okay, so this is my new iPhone. I just wanted to show it to you guys. I just wanted to unbox it for my channel because I am glad that I got it and I can't wait to go ahead and play with it and record some nice content for you guys. So anyway, if you made it to this part, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're subscribed and I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.